This Chrome extension costs $200. Let's see how we built its core feature in just a few minutes using Google's free AI code editor, Antigravity. First, let's look at the demo of this Chrome extension. Here I click the extension and choose a pick area. If we want a design exactly like the one on the Apple website, we just click that entire section and it gives us the full code. I copied that code and replaced it in my file. Then I reloaded the page and that entire section got copied exactly. Now let's look at the step-by-step process of creating this extension. Since I needed something like this for a few client projects, I asked ChatGPT whether any similar app was available. It recommended this particular tool. In that tool, we could copy any section completely, replace it in our file, reload the page, and that section would be fully duplicated. Then I wondered whether this extension was free. I went to the Chrome extensions page, added it, and when I clicked it, it asked me to sign up. To sign up, it said you need to be a paid user first. The cost was around $200. So in the same ChatGPT thread, I asked it to give me a prompt for Antigravity to build the same Chrome extension myself. It generated the full prompt. I copied it, created a new folder on my local system, and opened Antigravity. On the right side prompt box, I pasted the copied prompt and pressed enter. I kept it in planning mode with Gemini 3 Pro selected. Now it understood the prompt and defined a task list and implementation plan. It mentioned which files needed to be created step by step. As it created each file, it marked them as done in the to-do list. It created each file one by one and implemented the core logic as well. In the walkthrough, it explains the process, how to install the Chrome extension, how to copy and process sections, and how you can fully copy any section. Now I go to the extensions page. In the top right corner, you need to enable developer mode. Then click load unpacked and select the Chrome plugin folder we just developed. Some errors appeared. I copied those errors and gave them to Antigravity. It analyzed them and provided fixes, which I accepted. Then I loaded the extension again and this time it worked. I opened apple.com, pinned the extension, selected pick an element, and instantly I was able to copy it. In my test file, I replaced the previously copied code and reloaded the page. Now that entire section was duplicated, now we have the full code of that section available. Since there was a lot of CSS inside the style tag and it wasn't very effective, I asked whether it could convert everything into Tailwind classes instead. By doing that, instead of having many classes inside the style tag, everything gets filled directly into the HTML as Tailwind classes. Let's see how that works. It says everything has been implemented. I reloaded the Chrome extension folder with the changes, pinned it again, and selected pick an element. After replacing it, now instead of having many classes inside the style tag, everything is directly inside the HTML version. All the CSS classes from the Chrome extension were converted into Tailwind classes. That's why you see so many classes there. We can further optimize this to make it more developer friendly. I reload again and the output remains the same. A few small errors appeared. I copied them and pasted them again into Antigravity and they were properly fixed. So within just a few minutes, we were able to build the main core feature of a paid Chrome extension using Google's AI editor Antigravity. In upcoming videos, I'll cover how to create multiple different apps using Google's AI editor Antigravity. If you like this process of creating the Chrome extension, give it a like. Also share your ideas in the comment section about what else we can develop using Antigravity tools. If you have any doubts or questions, share them as well. A full-fledged video on how to integrate AI tools into our development workflow is coming soon on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.